Meanwhile, the NBI will pursue its investigation into what is described as the scam. The details from Noel Perfecto.
An investigation group of the NBI will conduct a thorough probe on the so-called SARO scam as the Department of Budget and Management personally uncovered this anomaly, which uses fake signatures of high officials from the department. This was announced by NBI OIC Luigi De Lemos after Budget Secretary Florencio Abad consulted with the Justice Department on the discovered anomaly. According to Attorney De Lemos, they will immediately do the probe when Secretary Laila De Lima formally orders it.
Kino-confirm namin na may order si Secretary De Lima at may request ang DBM para imbestigahan yung mga unauthorized at unreleased SARO, unsigned ng DBM. At iniimbestigahan niya ng ating isang investigative unit dito sa NBI.
So yung more or less yung SARO, ano itong SARO na to? O...
Sa pagkakaalam namin yan, ayon sa request nila, ito ay unreleased, unsigned SARO at nakarating yata ito doon sa probinsya, doon sa DA. At pinipresenta na mayroong kopya na signed SARO. Yan ang iniimbestigahan po. Yan ang request sa atin.
In regards to the forensic tests on bodies of Yolanda victims, De Lemos says that they have added 3 more teams of experts from the NBI to help with the foreign groups who continue to aid the authorities with the identification of the bodies.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang trabaho ng ating disaster victim identification team doon sa Tacloban at in fact naka-3 teams na tayo doon para magkakaroon ng continuity yung trabaho nila sa identification at yung ibang mga doctors naman natin sa ibang regions ay minomobilize natin para mapalitan, magkaroon ng rotation yung ating mga doktor doon sa pag-identify ng mga victims doon sa Yolanda.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.